Hey, guys! Welcome back to another Windows 10 tutorial video. Today, I've got something crucial to share with you: creating a system restore point. This nifty feature can be a lifesaver when your computer starts acting up, whether it's due to a misbehaving application or a recent installation gone wrong. So, let's dive right in and learn how to safeguard your system. First things first, open up the search bar and type Create a Restore Point. You'll see it pop up right there. Click on it to access the System Properties window. Now, head over to Configure. Here's a quick tip: I highly recommend keeping the system protection turned on. This ensures that Windows automatically creates restore points at regular intervals. No need to manually intervene every time. Just set it and forget it. This way, you'll always have a reliable point to roll back to if something goes awry. In the disk space usage section, you'll find the maximum amount of disk space allocated for restore points. More space means more restore points, but be mindful of your hard drive capacity. Once you're set, click OK. Now that system protection is on, let's create a brand new restore point. Give it a meaningful name, something like Fix Master Create. Click Create, and voila! Your restore point is being generated. And there you have it, a safety net for your system. If anything goes south, you can revert to this point where everything was working smoothly. If you have any questions about creating a restore point in Windows 10, drop a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If this video proves helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.